I'm Health Crusader. Welcome to Cooking with Health Crusader. Today I will be preparing some enchiladas. Pow! Here's all of the ingredients for the enchiladas. So, to get started, you'll need your enchilada sauce. We're going to use just 1/4 of the top. And the reason we're doing this is because we're going to be coating our tortillas. Just like that, both sides. We're going to be making 8 enchiladas. Just put them to the side like this. And you might need a little bit more sauce. If you do, just take a little bit more out of your jar. But be sure to save enough to put on the top. I'm using these gluten-free ones right here, and we'll put all the ingredients up for you on the screen so you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them a little bit like this to the side. If you have something else, or you could put them on something else if you'd like. Okay, now we're going to get this chicken that I boiled for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then it's just whole chicken breasts. And then what you do is you just shred it like I did. I added a little bit of paprika sauce to it just because I like something flavor in my chicken. And so what you do is you just grab some chicken and fill it like this, and you go pow with a little bit of onions, and you also calls for a little bit of garlic. What I like to do is I just pour the whole garlic, so much easier this way, right inside my chicken. So now what you do is you roll your enchilada. You've got one there, and you just keep on going. You just fill the other onions. Oops, I forgot to cut up the cilantro. We need cilantro. The cilantro just gives it this really fresh flavor. So we're going to just chop it fine. And pow, put a dash of that in there, and then roll them. There we go. And we'll start by doing this, putting the onions in because we already have the garlic in the mix, cilantro. Okay, we've got 3. Just keep on going. Just go pow, kabam, onions. So easy. 1, 2, 3, and roll. My family loves this recipe. I make it at least once a week. And it's so easy to make. And it's so fast. It takes like probably 15 minutes after you've already boiled your chicken. And you have it all ready. So it's like saves you tons of time. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more to go. And you can also use the green enchilada sauce that I have there, if you prefer green enchilada sauce. And we're down to our last enchilada. Look at that. Okay, so you've got 8 rolled enchiladas. A little bit more sauce. Make sure that you put lots of nice sauce on top so that when you put them in the oven, they don't dry out. Cheese is optional, but I'm not going to put cheese on them today because we have someone in our family that can't have cheese. These look so amazing. Now these will take about 15 minutes just to brown up so they're a little crispy, and the oven should be at 350. Now, I'm going to go pop them in the oven, and I'll be back. Shazam! Here's the finished product, Health Crusader enchiladas. Kapow! Vivon, would you please join me in having some Health Crusader enchiladas? Delicious! Wow! Thanks for cooking with Health Crusader. I hope you enjoy the enchiladas. See you next time!